Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you daily picks, how to get market picks token in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, how you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by open this exchange feature, and this is the daily picks. You can tap it. So there are 4 exchanges that you can try. The first one is 1 until 3 market picks token. You can get this market picks token for 80 with 80 plus OVR player. Tap to exchange, tap to unlock. Let's see, we got 1 market pick token. So the market pick token you can use in the extra time. This one you can go to the home page and see there's a new feature, extra time. You can tap it and you can use the point in here to open the player, to get the player. This one, top 15 market and top 500 market. You need 1200 a of the a sorry this one market pick token to earn this reward. So you get top 500 player. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also ring this button below. See you in the next video.